Hey kids, your Uncle Austin. He's gonna show you how he made these two with Chloe's. So I went through and I 3D printed everything. I already did the insert for this guy and I already put it in. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting all the parts together. I'm going to show you how I did it, and then next time we see you guys, you'll be getting Hayden, you're getting the black, Chloe, you're getting the pink, and Auntie Tiffany is getting the green, blue color. So what I'm doing is I'm heating these things up because they're plastic. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert them so that he has a little eye. Chloe, this one's yours. Hayden, Auntie Tiffany's.